So when it comes down to Kickoff, they do have a secure credit card, but they do have another one where they can report a $750 account onto your credit report. And you guys are probably going to pay about $4 or $5 per month because you have to actually buy something. And they have like web products that you guys can buy, ebooks and things like that. But you guys are not actually paying $20 per month. I would suggest you guys pay $20 per month for this. Get a secure credit card if it gets to that point. Um, but it's basically them reporting to the credit bureau. You're not actually getting an actual card unless you get their secure credit card. Um, but if you get to the point where you got to pay that much money, like literally get a secure credit card with Discover or Navy Federal and keep it pushing because Kickoff is actually getting more expensive than they used to be. Yes, your credit score could go up, but that's a lot of money. And I just rather you guys get an actual secure credit card that don't have an annual fee, and that money you paying into Kickoff, like if you paying $20 per month, in 10 months, you basically going to have a $200, you pay $200, and that's enough for a secure credit card. And after that, 10 months, you're going to keep paying. When you, if you would have put $200 on a secure credit card, after that 10 months, you basically paying $20 per month. Think of it like that. You wouldn't have to pay anything else. Like you don't have any additional fees. But Kickoff is kind of confusing, but look into getting a secure credit card if it gets to the point where you have to pay that much. Like that is really just ridiculous. I don't want you to pay that much. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, please look into my exclusive credit membership. And also, I have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And a lot of people have been getting great results from this. I actually do meetups. I have another meetup. If you guys haven't heard, I have another meetup that's starting in March. I do groups. We're meeting in groups. So definitely make sure you sign up. And when you guys sign up and we meet in the actual group, I help you dispute the accounts that's on your credit reports. I actually mail those letters out myself. So I'll mail those for you. I just do a lot of the work for you so you guys can get those results without having to do so much. Now, I do say, hey, you need to get some credit cards. I suggest you get this credit card, that credit card, this credit card, but you guys have to apply for that on your own. Like you have to apply for that on your own. But congratulations to all the people that have been approved for credit cards. Their credit score has been going up and they've been getting approved for properties. That is really amazing. I hope I see you guys in my next class. If not, please go ahead and look at that link. It's like an hour long where I tell you everything. And you actually get a free dispute letter for inquiries. You get a free dispute letter for negative accounts like bankruptcies, collections, charge offs. So definitely check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.